It doesn't have a radio. It doesn't have air conditioning. Heck, it doesn't even have back seats. But it does have one thing: a screaming 385 horsepower V8 built to annihilate tracks and dominate legends. Meet the 2000 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra R, a street-legal race car so raw it scared the competition. But why did Ford build this monster? And what makes it one of the most hardcore Mustangs ever made? Stick around, because we're diving deep into a Mustang that broke all the rules and still does. The backstory. To understand the 2000 Cobra R, we need to rewind. Back in the late 90s, Ford's Special Vehicle Team, or SVT, was cooking up something radical. They wanted a Mustang that didn't just look fast. It had to be fast. Not a muscle car for the street, but a track-focused machine that could go head-to-head with Corvettes and Porsches. The result? The Cobra R, a stripped-down, amped-up beast born for the road course. Limited and legendary. Only 300 units of the 2000 SVT Cobra R were ever built, making it one of the rarest Mustangs ever produced. And get this, every single one was painted in performance red with a sinister black interior. No flashy badges, no frills, just pure aggression. Buyers needed to prove they were real enthusiasts. Ford even required a valid racing license or proof the car would be used in competition. That's how serious this car was. The engine, big block. Brute under the vented hood sits a 5.4-liter DOHC V8, unlike anything else offered in Mustangs at the time. Producing a furious 385 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. It was mated to a Tremec T56 six-speed manual transmission and redlined at 6,500 RPM. This wasn't the same modular V8 found in the GTs or standard Cobras. It was hand-built with a cast-iron block, forged pistons, and high-flow cylinder heads. The sound? Utterly brutal. Performance stats. This thing could sprint from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds, lightning fast for the year 2000, and topped out at 170 miles per hour. The quarter-mile disappeared in just over 12 seconds. With upgraded Brembo brakes, Eibach racing springs, Bilstein shocks, and a unique IRS setup, it wasn't just about power. It could corner. It could stop. It was a legit track car disguised as a Mustang. Raw interior, pure focus. Step inside and you'll find not much. There's no stereo, no AC, no power windows, just two cloth Recaro racing seats, a fire extinguisher, and a full-gauge cluster to keep you dialed in. This wasn't about comfort, it was about focus. Ford shaved nearly 300 pounds by ditching anything unnecessary. You could say the cockpit was more race car than road car. Race-ready design. From the outside, the Cobra R looks mean. A vented hood helps cool the big block V8. The massive rear wing isn't just for show. It produces functional downforce. A front splitter and side skirts improve aerodynamics. And those 18-inch 5-spoke wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot tires, they're built to grip hard. A collector's dream. Today, the 2000 Cobra R is a collector's holy grail. With only 300 made and many kept in pristine condition, these cars now fetch over $100,000 at auctions. But more than the price, it's the story, the rarity, the purpose-built engineering, and the no-compromise attitude that make it unforgettable. It wasn't about mass appeal, it was about domination, why it still matters. In a world of digital driving assists, synthetic engine notes, and luxury-packed pony cars, the 2000 Cobra R reminds us what raw performance really feels like. No filters, no gimmicks, just mechanical purity, precision engineering, and raw American muscle. It set the tone for future SVT and Shelby models, and proved that Ford could build a Mustang that wasn't just fast, but ferocious. So, what do you think? Does the 2000 Mustang Cobra R still deserve its legendary status? Or have modern Mustangs left it in the dust? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know what other classic performance cars you'd like us to break down next. If you enjoyed this ride through Mustang history, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Gearhead content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of muscle car madness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.